Science and technology. Guess you could say that. Hello stream. Ooh, I got a big old cup of coffee and it's so warm. It's been very cold lately. And I'm half okay with that. I got bugs. What kind of bugs do I have? Few stages, hang on. Yeah, I got bugs. Get item. The given key was not present in the dictionary. This is dictionary.css. I'm pretty sure it's talking about the state machine. State side though. And that's for the... It's probably idle with a uppercase I. Is that it? No, it's not. We'll do UGD print to as get name. Yes. Get. Wait, no, that's not it. Just do S. Which, yeah, come to think of, and I really, oh, it's because okay, base ready, we'll do state name equals name. This name is from C#, right? The name of the node. It should be good enough. Let's see what we get. State machine has no states. Okay, this is a problem. State machines has no states. Is it because the farm scene? Oh, so you're not a playable character. Okay. Should instantiate a playable character. Then I think we're okay. Yes and no. No. Let's do this one step at a time. First off, shut the fuck up. We have idle and walk. Okay, so we do have... the states working and returning just fine. It's just that it's getting the node name and the node name is uppercase. Cool. Idle and walk. Now we got a few warnings. What is it? Excuse me. Item power berry using path. Active call. Item power berry TSNC. External resource invalid UID using text path instead. Valid. Oh, is it because I... Oh, I guess the first thing to think of would be if I delete this node. Do I get the warning? I do get the warning. Or berry scene. Got it. Let's check it again. Mouse tools, 28. Sting shade, so invalid UID. Don't get it. Well, hang on. Seed, assets. Okay, those are my assets. Build. There's nothing on build. Calendar, characters, crop farm. Icon, import, crops, assets. I'm gonna just delete the import. I'm gonna try and re-import it. I still get the error. Invalid UAG. I feel like I'm doing. I feel like this is not a problem. It's probably just a problem because I deleted the image and re-downloaded it. I'm pretty sure. I'm gonna look it up. So Godot invalid UID using text path instead. I resolved it by opening up the impacted scenes. So power berry scene and saving it. Nope. Later there was a save all scenes in the menu. Load saved scene. Load current project. Oh no. Did that break OBS? No, it did not. Okay. I'm good. Save all scenes. Nope. Still at it. Not sure what causing it. Regarding the cause, my project has thousands of auto-generated audio and video files. Well, it's not too much of a problem. Although I do dislike having warnings a lot, because it feels like a bad practice to leave this here. But for now, I'll leave those there. I think my coffee is warm enough where I can drink it. Mm-hmm. Okay, so I'm done with my wipo. Okay, blah 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 blah. I do have a character, right? I wanted to make a node called inventory. And the inventory is going to have... Well, it's going to have a script. Now, it's going to have a dictionary, integer, item. I'll call it items with an uppercase I. Well, I might do that. Can you guys see a difference? Oh yeah, you can. Okay. Cool. It's going to set process to false. And I can get rid of this guy, and I'm going to do a private, no, a public get item. Get item. Public item. Get item. And it's going to return. We're going to return. Oh, I think it. Okay, we're gotta give it position. And position. We'll return items on position. Ah. No, this means... No, this is going to get the key. Okay, this is a key. Okay, fuck. Actually. I can't have... Okay, so I gotta check first. Do I have to check? It's going to return no if it doesn't find anything. So it could be no. So I don't care. It's working as intended. It's when I'm storing. If I'm storing somewhere, I gotta just check if there's something there, and if there is, I'm gonna swap the items. Hi, Serenade. I wanted normalize. Did you do like 8 and then close parenthesis? I like that emote. If it's overridden by YouTube emote, I don't think I like it anymore. Get item, store item, and then we'll give a position as well. Oh, it was like semicolon eyes. Okay, to get the eyes looking to the side. I like that one too. Yeah, those ones. I'm ashamed of how much I enjoy not emoticons, emojis. I think they can breathe life into text. Too bad most of them suck. And as much as people hate, I'm a big fan of Pregnant Man because I think it's funny. It has quickly become one of my favorites. I like the amount of animals you get. I just wish we would still have the revolver as gun. Oh, emoticons or emojis. This is the one I wanted. Emogus. Emogus. Emoticon. Emojis. Emogus. Yeah. Those guys. So I'm starting an item. I may return an item. So I'm gonna give it position and give it an item. Call it item. I never know what to name my variables. So swap. Okay, item swap. Item swap is item get on position given position. If swap is null, we are going to set items position receives item. I name my variables extremely descriptive. That is indeed the best way to do it. I do not do. I should be more descriptive. I guess I never do like A or B or C, X. I try give them something descriptive. I don't know if like item is descriptive enough. Whenever I come across like a class is the name of the thing I want, I don't know if I should do like item to store. Maybe I should item to store. I think that's fine. And then I remember some variables I need that ends up being related to the ones, and the absurd specificity starts to break down as 4 or 5 variables end up with similar names. Oh no. I don't get. Oh, your problem is I'm not returning item. Return an item. New item. Just so you shut up. I can do item to store. Item to. Well, actually, see. I don't know. I feel like if I actually read the function store item and then I'm giving it an item, I think it's pretty obvious it's the item to store. I don't know. Whatever, it's not that big a deal. So I want to store an item on my backpack. I click the item icon on the square and it either swaps or it stores. So I'll call store item either way. Tries to see, is there an item here? No, there is not an item here. Then I store it. If there is, what do I do? Maybe I should do there isn't first, and then I'll do item return item. Swap? No, it's actually swap, right? If it's not no, then swap takes items on position. And then and I return swap. Okay. We'll do so item to swap. Item to swap. Get item, store item. I guess we can do a sort. Public void sort. What's up? Member sort does not access instance of data. Okay, mark it as static. I don't. It'll be soon not be a problem anymore. So okay, actually the inventory should have a max size as well. So we're gonna have integer inventory size. Actually, it's just size. It's already the inventory. So is it going to be public, private, size? And it's going to be 6 for now. That's the default value. Okay, so if I'm going to sort, I'm going to get. I'm gonna have an array. I'm gonna have an array of items. Item array. And for each. Does for each work with. Hang on. C# for each dictionary. Does it work? It does work. I can iterate over it. So I can do var item, which is a tuple, right? Do I have tuples? System tuple. Godot. Collections. No, I don't have an array in dictionary. I guess I could use. I don't like doing var item in items. Can I do this? So item. Oh, do you not autocomplete? I don't think it autocompletes. What if I do? I don't think it likes this. At least it doesn't autocomplete, so I'm guessing I'm doing something wrong. I'm just gonna go. I'm gonna do it the long way. I'm gonna do it for integer item position 0, item position less than size, item position it's not null, then item array add items Item position. Why do you not like that? Cool, and then I can do item, array, sort. I was just sorted for me. And then while. I think now I can do for each item in item array. Maybe actually I'll do another 4. Items, item position, receives, item array, item position. Oh, I think they should do it. What's up with you? Collection. This should do it. Actually, since I deleted the other one, I don't need it. What else should my inventory have? This sort's going to change in the future whenever I have item IDs. I'll probably have item IDs. I think this is going to sort them with no real... Yeah, it's not going to do much. It's going to sort... The maximum sorting this is going to do is filling the gaps. If I have 1, nothing, 1, nothing, it just becomes 1, 1, 1, nothing, nothing, nothing on my inventory. I don't know if that makes sense, just all in my head. But yeah. I think it makes sense for me. Well, I think when I have something more visual, maybe I'll be able to show you what I'm thinking about. Cool. Very cool. So I'm gonna add the inventory to my character. Add child node, instantiate, do I not have an inventory? Unsaved. Inventory scene. And then inventory. Okay. And now with my playable character, I should be able to access my inventory. I'm gonna go do that because my player character right now has only what I don't know if it's correct or not, but I call interfacing, when you basically have the blueprints for everything, but nothing really works as of yet. I'm sure people use it on an actual, like, there is no code, but it has to be programmed in the fucking abstract class and whatever. So yeah, okay, whatever. I don't know if I'm using it correctly, that's what I'm saying. So we're going to have an inventory, which is going to be private. Inventory, which, yeah, I'll start it as no, just for whatever reason. And I'm going to have a state machine as well, which I'm going to call state machine. Very creative. Oh, what do you not like? State machine is a namespace used being used like a type using state machine. There we go. Are you happy now? State machine. Yeah, that works. What else? Sprite. So sprite 2D. Oh, animated sprite 2D. Sprite. No. Already. I'm gonna have my inventory. What is it? Get node. Inventory. And same is going to go for the state machine. And for my sprite. What is the issue here? Inventory. Okay. State machine. And you are going to be animated sprite 2D. Fantastic. Wait, is that fantastic? State machine. What do you do again? You already process everything, right? Okay. I guess I could also, just for fun, add like HP and stamina. And just have those there, because even though I'm not gonna use anything, I'm not gonna do anything with them right now, I think it gives the flavor of a... Oh, I see what I'm programming. I'm programming a character because it has HP and stamina. I'm gonna set stamina as 10 and HP as 10 as well, but actually this is very, very useless. And it's not going to do much because it's a whole nother system. Okay. Does my character process anything? No, because it's a bitch to the state machine. The state machine will be where I control my character. But I do... Yeah, no. The state machine will let my character know what it has to do, actually. But it will not control my character. Yo, this song is sick. It's the... I'm gonna make it a little bit louder. I don't know how loud or low it is. Dude, I've said before, the OST to Shin Megami Tensei 4, it is absolutely bonkers how good that soundtrack is. And there is one video by one guy called Power Energy, I think it is, on Shin Megami Tensei 4, and he describes the game in such a perfect way, and the music really encapsulates his description. He says, Shin Megami Tensei 4 is, and of course I'm paraphrasing, is a game about people from Silly World A who end up in Silly World B. And it's fun to interact with the first world because it's all medieval and it's all very fantastic. It's fun interacting with the Silly World B because it's like dystopian and all destroyed modern civilization. And it's fun to see the interaction between them. So it's very, and the soundtrack goes from like, it goes hard with like medieval stuff. It goes hard with very industrial sounds, like fucking drums and beats and guitars. But also the dude does the fucking, what is it? Grandma's chair. What fucking, God, I hate my brain. I don't know the music instruments, but I know a reference from Metalocalypse when they refer to old people's instruments as grandma's chair. Well, either way, it's very fun. I will now go into it. I need a public... Not public. I need a private void move. Then I'm gonna get a vector 2D. Move position. Look, I'll rename everything if it's not good in the future. Naming violation move. And then I'm gonna do this position, position. I love atmospheric and industrial. I also love grandma. 10 out of 10. Big fan of grandma. Move. I actually only have move for now. Yeah, I only have move for now. Okay, I think move is enough. I think it's good enough for us to create a standard on how to proceed. I'm gonna have to cheat and check out how I do signals, because I never forget. Delegate void, no, vector 2, no, void, no, yeah, void, move event handler vector 2 position. Because my player, weirdly enough, the player does not control itself. It's going to be the state machine, so the state machine is not going to actively call functions from the player. It's just going to signal the player, hey, you should be moving. And the reason that is if I were to program every single action for the player, it would be really, really big. And I would have a shit ton of flags to deal with. So I'm not doing that. It's like complicates a bit right now, since I don't have a standard that I can just copy and paste. But in the future, when I do have this standard that I'm creating right now, I'm just gonna be able to copy and paste, and I'm going to do way less coding afterward. But I do have state idle, so I'm gonna do walk, right? State machine for walk. Hey, I'm walking here. So vector 2 walk direction. Actually, instead of position, this should be direction. Hang on. There. Okay, so walk direction is new. It's new vector 2D. Actually, I should vector 2D. What is it? Can I do like 0, 0? I can. Right. If, well, now that I come to think of it, project settings, plugins, input map, new action. Don't I have show building action functions? Okay, so UI up. Oh, okay, great. Great. Okay, so if, how do I do this? Input action pressed, and then the action, which I think it's like UI. What is it? UI up. UI up, left, right, down. Okay, so UI up. Is action pressed UI up. We'll do. Actually, I do have already. I do have ready, and I do have something to put here. And I'm also going to have a protected node, character node. Well, actually, maybe I shouldn't. Maybe I should do this here. Do private character, playable character. Is my playable character really named? Oh no. Oof, this is bad. Playable character. It's okay. Will you compile? Oh, probably not, because I left. Oh, you will. Cool. Okay, playable character. And just do character. Character when we're going to do character receives get node, playable character, and I'll get the parent. Right, whenever I start I should do move event handler. No, what is it? Signal. Character move. Oh shit, I don't have. Hang on. I'm doing something wrong. I don't have access to move, but should I have access to move? I'm gonna say yes, just to keep on programming. And if it's really bad, I'll change it later. Then if it's going up, I should emit signal. My signal is going to be move. Signal name, move. And it's going to send as argument new new array. Vector 2. Walk direction. Very ugly, but I think it works. I think we can check it out if it works, actually. We go back to farm. I have farm, and this is my... Oh, fuck. Wait, no, I don't have a player. No, that's why I compiled earlier. I have a playable character. I want to lock this. This is my playable character. Cool. I think I probably should make him bigger. It might be hard to see. Playable character. Sprite. I'll just do 5 times whatever it is currently is. And also, for the love of God, we're going to take the text filtering off. Cool. Now, I think we can see that. And if I press up, it does nothing. Fantastic. Great. Cannot open file. Fail to read file. Oh no. Oh. Oh, I know what it is. Reload saved scene. I know exactly what it is. It is playable character. Take it off. We do playable character. Walk. Delegate to instance method cannot have no this. And unable to cast objects, state machine to playable character. So we got a few issues over here. State machine. So this should be character. I fucked with the naming. And now I must pay the price. This is probably looking for a bunch of stuff I changed the name. And I didn't do through Godot, and now Godot is mad because it doesn't know I changed the name. System multi-call delegate throw node is in delegate tree instance. I have no fucking clue what this means. Node state machine 49 and 71. So it's in state machine. 49 change states. Okay, so it's completely lost in this. Then on 71 start. Oh, I see what the problem is. Do I? I do. Do I? Idle, walk. The default state is idle. Get current state, dictionary, change states, process. Strange change state, new state. Because walk is going back as idle, and then idle is turning back walk. No, I have no idea what's going on. Also, turn, walk, here. Vector 2. It doesn't need new. Is it then? Yeah. Non-invocable member, new. Okay, you're cool. But I still don't know what the issue is. Multicast delegate throw no. This in delegate true instance. I don't know what this means. So it's stage machine 49 and 71. Maybe we can throw a few prints in. (31, 71 and 49. This is the process, change state. Good print. PD print. New state. Idle walk, idle walk, idle walk. So it's not no. And it tries to change state new. So it's not printing any errors. Exit and start. Walk. Mid signal exited. Oh, is that what it is? Wait, what if I do this? Do this. Then on idle, start there and exit. Is this what it? Is this what's your? No, that's not your problem. Delegate to an instance method cannot have no this. I may know what the issue is. Okay, we got 9 errors this time. Let's see one by one. Cannot load character.cs. Well, that's because character.cs doesn't exist. Should first see that. Character scene. Build characters, yes. Oh no. Wait. No, wait. Playable character. I don't think it has. I don't think you have anything. I don't think you have scripts. Yeah, you don't. Okay. One issue down. Unable to cast object to type state machine to type playable character. When is this an issue? State machine walk.cs 15. 15, so character, playable character. Oh, okay. I see what the issue is. It's not its father, it's grandparent. Cool. Fantastic. And we got 2 errors, but they are warnings. And I've seen this warning before, and I don't know what it is, but it does not impact anything. I think it's some kind of importing error. I think if I try and re-import all PNGs, it might disappear, but I'm not gonna do that right now. Because it's not really code and doesn't really matter to me at the moment. What else do I have? Okay, I'm gonna go back to the state machine. I'm gonna remove this return, and I'm gonna still get errors, right? No. Oh shit, no I don't. Okay, cool. So I'm going between idle and walk. Idle. To be fair, to be honest, TBH. I think this goes over here as well. Because idle and walking, well, I don't know. We'll see. What else did it? Your HUD. Character. This one. I don't get your issue. The non-generic type array cannot be used with typed arguments. Not system, you're good though. There we go. Cool. IDO returns IDO, so I'm staying on IDO at all times. I think I can go back to state machine and under process. I think it's okay for me to do gd.print and then the new state, just so I can keep up with the states. So IDO, perfect. IDO is just IDO. I do have action. Okay, so gd.print action up. Okay, I do have action up being called. If that is the case, then well, I can do just like I did on the walk actually. It's emitting move. Print move. Okay, let's see if it's been called. He's been called. Oh. Times speed. I think we also have speed 0. We can do speed. I don't know how much is good enough. 20 maybe. Okay, it's going 0, 0. GD, no, GD print walk direction. Cool. Not cool. Is action pressed? There's no walk direction over here. I'm on idle. Oh, that's kind of cool. It's I'm on idle, then I hold, and I go to walk, which is correct. I'm getting 0, 0, which I should do this to walk as well. I don't get only one print. I live for 10 minutes, MK has turned into an Arkham playing villain. See, not even once. It's always like that. It is the... I'm pretty sure it's the song that plays when you're... You have... On the game, you have this, like... You know the Yu-Gi-Oh thing they put on their arms to put cards? You have a Pip-Boy. It's a Pip-Boy from Fallout. And when you can infuse demons when you interact with it. And I find really funny that... not really funny, I don't know. I think it's charming because after spending 70, 80 hours with a game, you kind of grow attached to the 3 or 4 phrases that you repeat throughout the whole game. You interact with it to enter the menu where you can fuse demons, and it's always like, welcome to the Cathedral of Demons, Cathedral of Shadows, where demons hide. And it's the music that plays. I'm pretty sure that is it. Let me see what's the name of it. Cathedral of Shadows. Yeah, okay. It is. It's very, very charming to me. And it's a voxel guy, which is it's a voxel version of the same guy. When Shin Megami Tensei 1 and 2, there's like the Cathedral of Shadows as well. And it's a place where you go and fuse demons. And that's the guy that, kind of greets you as if it's a store. And it's a voxel-based 3D version of him. And it's... I like Shin Megami Tensei. I'm not voting for Kingdom Hearts 2. Shin Megami Tensei 3 Nocturne has my vote. Which is funny because it's the only one I haven't played. Well, not the only one, but the only numbered one. Well, actually there is 5. Okay, so there's a couple of them I haven't played. Not a real gamer, I'm not a true fan. Fuck, where was I? I'm completely lost now. Which is fine. It's okay. Don't worry. Oh yeah, I know what's the problem. Okay, I know what the problem is. So I have a vector 2 directional. What is... Can I not just do this? Okay, I can't just do this, and I'm sure of it, that's the issue. Right. And if I can just run it again. Okay, so... I am correct. And I'm getting move. And it's showing me the correct... What the fuck? Move 0 minus 1, which is correct. That should be going up. Position, which is the player character position. The fuck is your issue? Considering position, 0 minus... Oh, it's... okay, I'm setting stamina twice. Fuck. My bad. Which... That should... Oh yeah, no, that is the issue. Yay! Look at it go. I'm gonna do it again. Wait. Woo! It can only go up. Sorry that shit. Sorry that shit's what happens to me at work every day. Oh fuck. Oh, oh, dude. I don't know. I don't think I've ever had that issue. Have you? I don't know. It's such a. I understand you so bad. It's such a complicated problem because if it's the possible bomb diffuser that it probably is, or you don't even. At least if I were in that situation, I would probably do the same as you, which is bitch about it, and probably not do much because I don't even know if it's a bomb diffusion kind of situation, and I don't want to find out because if it's a bomb diffusion type of situation, if the person is gonna get mad that you're asking for fucking leave me alone time, I want to do actual work and figure stuff out for yourself. If that happens to be a bomb diffuser kind of situation, I wouldn't want to have to deal with it. I'm not making excuses. You should try and figure that out. And I only say that because it's not me. I shouldn't inflict it on a fellow coder. I don't know. I am fully aware of what I'm getting myself into when I'm streaming, especially programming. I'm okay with it. This song feels like an old birthday massacre, sort of. Is old birthday massacre something? Old birthday. I'm scared to look that up. I don't know what that is, if it is something. At this point, it was a previous... Oh yeah, no, okay, I get you. I did. It's called Tokyo. It's one of my favorites. It's the Overworld song. I have a real tough time with the word world. It's the world, is the RL part. Birthday Massacre is a band. I'm freaking, that's a badass name for a band. Birthday Massacre. Canadian band. Oh no, they look exactly like the type of people I would make fun of. Not to be mean. I do like a lot of bands with that exact look to it. I'm not gonna judge. My Chemical Romance says, "I'll do small things." I don't know if that's. I don't think that's My Chemical Romance. My Chemical Romance is the people getting married in a church song video. Yeah, I mean, I don't want to be mean to the lead singer, but she's kind of hit or miss for me. I mean, I judge musicians on a song-to-song basis. I very, very hardly like a full album of someone. I listen to full albums of someone just because I don't have the patience to, if I can go through each of the artist's albums and take out the songs I like. But I listen either way. For churches. I don't know, is that another band? God of churches. Is that the name of the My Chemical Romance song I mentioned? I don't even know what it is. No, it's a band. Scottish synth pop group. They have that real... Well, it's not... I don't know. It's not... at least from the Wikipedia image, it's just the main lady who... Oh, she doesn't even do that much dressing up. But for the real... for the emo bands. So I went blogging dumpster diving, right? I was like, oh, I'm gonna look for blogs, and I was looking for. This was like 3-4 days ago. I was looking for J-rock blogs, for writing Blogspot. It's really hard to describe why, but I have such a blast doing it. It's so fun. And it's like not out of... It's never out of making fun of someone or disrespect. I find it extremely fascinating. There's people with Blogspots updating that shit like... There's like 2 years ago, right? In an age where Facebook and Twitter are like 60% of the internet. Or maybe Discord, I don't know. I don't know what else is big. For someone to have a Blogspot and update that shit, it's fascinating to me. And I found a couple ones that you could just pirate music out of it. They were just like giving out links to download full albums of J-pop songs. I fucking love J-pop. I cannot stand it. But they all dress up just like the fucking 2000s emo pop what is it, pop punk rock people did, and I find that very funny. I am blessed. Hang on. And she used to do a lot more miss. I don't know if she got vocal lessons or start auto tuning. I don't know. Oh yeah, and the J-pop rabbit hole, no, J-rock pop rabbit hole got me into looking up YouTube videos of people doing like, I think it's industrial European dance or something like that, which is that dance. There's a very famous video of people like a bunch of emo people doing like weird rave dance under a bridge. I think it's in Argentina or Peru. And they're still going, man. There was an event like 2023, I think it was 2023, the latest one. And there are videos on YouTube documenting it. It's just fucking people still dancing, doing the... It's fun. I love subcultures. I will not participate in any of them, but I love them. I think it's fun. Will never cease to amaze me or to entertain me. And it's not out of... Maybe I do make fun of them, but it's not out of malice. I'll put it like that. It is, honest to God, not out of malice. It's very hard to explain. I'm sure you guys understand. I'm a blessed individual because I didn't listen to any of the popular edgelord bands. I listened to all of them. I still do. I'm not gonna lie. I don't listen to them because I like them. I listen to them because they are a snippet of that time's culture. Just like I listen to like 80s or 90s song. I don't maybe not actually enjoy them like the 90s rock, I guess it would be. I don't actually enjoy them, but I find it interesting because they were like the standard at the time. They were a kind of like an icon, something that defines what popular music was at the time, and I like that. I like the idea. Popular edgelord bands of my day, so I can hear anything from them and not feel crippling embarrassment. I do feel crippling secondhand embarrassment, I'd say, but I still love it. I don't care. It's really, it thorns me between like feeling it is awful to listen to, and I cringe a bit. But at the same time, it's like, oh well, they put so much effort into it, and there's so much heart, and so many people like them, and they were like a staple of their time. I don't know, I can't help but to enjoy it as well. The part I like about Birthday Massacre, older stuff, is probably be summed up with the night loop. Oh yeah, my night loop. For example, my night loop is Eurobeat. Like the stuff Initial D, like everything is Initial D. I have never watched the anime. I have a overall good idea what it is. I know it's like a tofu delivery guy, fucking doing street races. I have zero interest in it, but I fucking love Eurobeat. I like it very, very much. Or an instrumental version of the video, Kid/Holiday, which officially doesn't exist. 90s rock to me is, hey, the song was in Tony Hawk Pro Skater. Yeah, the whole Tony Hawk Pro Skater is also, it's a surprisingly good, pick of music at the of its time, which they're all fucking bangers as well. I mean, there's this song called The Night Loop. Oh, okay. I thought. Oh well, I forget you don't program because there's so many people around me that program. The Night Loop for me is I put that shit in loop all night long while I'll program while I fix stuff. But okay, sure, that works. I mean, the song's called The Night Loop by Birthday Massacre. Brother, you want secondhand embarrassment? I whip up girl music. Dude, there is this playlist on YouTube called, I think it's Juliet Starling playlist. It's called Juliet's Super Duper Mega Awesome Playlist. It is all girl music. It's an hour of girl music, and it bangs. I like it. I'm not. Yeah. I fucking listen to it all. I'm gonna, before reading chat again, just to pretend I'm still programming, I'm gonna finish this real quick. So I have up, down, left, right. This should be a switch, right? Actually, how do I switch? Can this be a switch? In fact, this can't be a switch. Do if else. I'll see. Down. And then down. We'll do LSIF and LSIF again. Left. Right. Left. Right. And we'll fucking copy and paste all this shit over here. And this should be, let me walk around the map. Yeah, look at me go. Diagonals and everything. Okay. Okay, let me think about it for a second. I don't know. Okay, so there's two things I want to do, right? I would need to have some kind of like squared area in front of my character at all times. Because it's kind of like the area I'm going to interact with. So if I hit it with a hammer, or I hit it with an axe, or I hit it with a hoe, that's the area that's going to be affected. So I can do that. Or I can continue trying to figure out how to do inventory system. I feel like the inventory system... I feel like I should spend more time doing like items before I do that. I think I'm gonna wait on that. I think I'm gonna do the area. So... maybe actually not an area. Maybe what I can do is have a child node or cast, raycast. Yeah, I'll have a raycast. Tony Hawk's Pro Times Capsule, yeah. You can't defeat me. I listened to early 2000s Radio Disney. I don't know what Radio Disney is. Do they only play like Disney music? Let's get down to business. I know very little Disney music. I know some Mulan stuff. I really like the Hercules. God, I wish that is Radio Disney some kind of kids bop where they take like actual music and make it for children and change the lyrics around. Was that it? Pixels. Well, I don't really care about the amount of pixels, I guess. I'm gonna do 40 just because it feels more correct. I think the first thing I should do... Okay, so this is the interact cast. Interact raycast. Interact direction. I'll do interact raycast. In Stardew Valley. In Stardew Valley, you can't like use the hoe up or down, right? You have to use it left or right and move your character up and down and to be like on the row. The correct row you want to use the thing on. I'm pretty sure that's how it works. You can face any direction. I'm gonna open Stardew Valley real quick. Or use the mouse surrounding you. I'm gonna have to open it either way because I wanna check one thing out. I don't have it installed here. Oh well, it's like half a gig. Like you're in the center of a 3x3 grid. Yeah, I'm not thinking mouse controls yet, so... Or at all, I don't know. I guess the correct question should be in Harvest Moon. But yeah, I think in Harvest Moon you can use up and down as well. I'm specifically looking for Prince of Mineral Town, like influence. But I'm pretty sure you can. Yeah, I'm 100% sure you can. Can you? Oh, but you can't. You can't move diagonally in that game. That's the thing, right? You can only go up and down. Oh, and it's yeah, and that's why it's a pain to move between the mountainside, like the mountains, to the where the log cabin is, because it's kind of like angled, and you have to hit the wall when the wall pushes you. Yeah, okay. Okay. No, you know what? I'm gonna do 4. I'm gonna do 4 direction movement. Yeah, okay. Is that's easy? It's easier for me, and if this goes anywhere, and I can just fucking rework it. I don't have to make final decisions right now. So I'm gonna move my raycast. I'm just going to give me a visualizer. I'm gonna do rake. What is it? No, I'm gonna need to get a reference to it. Raycast. God damn it. Raycast 2D. To interact raycast. Is that what it's called? Interact raycast? Yeah, it's called that. Do interact raycast. It move child direction position. No, it's not position. Actually, maybe it is position. No, transform. Okay. Transform. Maybe rotate. And transform, I'm gonna be able to transform it up and down. Actually, I think I need to rotate it. Rotate. Rotation degrees. I guess it should actually, should it be pointing down? It should be pointing up. And then 90 is going to point right. Or not. actually 19. Okay, what's the issue here? Object reference not... oh yeah, of course. Interact raycast. Raycast 2D. Interact raycast. This is negative, I see. This left again. Okay. So do if dir vector true up maybe I should do private void update interact raycast, and I give a vector true direction. Switch the vector to up, down, left, right, face, get out of here. A constant value of type 2 is expected. Can I do new? Can I do constant? How is it? How is this not constant? Can I cast it as constant? Constant. Nope. I don't think I can do this. I do a new vector true and then do 1 0. Const vector true up true up. And can I do it? Okay. Well, down, left, right. That's the issue. The switch's case is unreachable. Type vector 2 cannot be called constant. And it's not going to like because it's not a constant. Fuck me, dude. Well, actually... okay, I might not be the smartest person alive. I can do... Boom. Cool. If it's neither, then it's 0 and whatever. Dude, fuck switches. I'm not gonna do a switch over here. I'll do an if, whatever. Here, x greater than 0. This song's another good one. It's for the shop. It's for one of the shops where the guy sells you guns. Black Market is the name. Whatever. Done. Interactory cast. Rotation degrees. 90. That's it. Actually, it's 0 and 90. 0 and 20. Same goes for Y. I'm gonna do all else if because it's gonna be one of the 4. Fuck it. This is going to be 90 and it's going to be 270. Let's see if I got it. Almost. Oh, yeah, of course. I'm not calling it. Update. There. Almost. So, up is left. So it's, this is left. And down is right. So this is right. Let's see if I got it. Almost. Okay. This is the kind of stuff that I could think and solve. But brute forcing is just way easier. So I'm not gonna bother. Maybe I should. I don't seem to be able to get it right. Oh wait, no. Up down is correct. Oh, it's left and right that is not correct, so... Now I think now we got it. Wait. Wait a second. Cool. And now if I were to check for collisions, I would find the area. What if I'm colliding? I guess if I'm colliding with more than one thing, I just interact with the first. For example, if my dog was in a tillable square, and I hold the ground where the dog is. I wonder if it has an order. Would it be random? Well, I don't have a dog, so I shouldn't worry about it. It's fun to ponder, though. I'm gonna have my character walk a bit slower. I think this should be fine. Let's check it. Yeah, this is fine. So, in Harvest Moon, you can either interact with A or use your tool with B. So I guess we should have an interact function. Right? Now I'll add a to-do over here, and also a private use to, just to use item. If you're carrying something, you throw with A. And B puts it back on your backpack. That's gonna be state. Actually, his state of holding something up. If I'm walking, can interact. Well, but I should have. Okay, so I'm gonna have use to, right? Because I'm not going to call it from here. Either way, I don't even have tools yet. I should probably think about doing tools as well. I can interact, so I can talk to people, talking to like read signs. I'm gonna throw that all into interact, so this should be talk to people, pet animal. This is weirdly. This is not going to be throw food away, even though interact button is A. This is going to be something else. Gift, maybe? Because I'm holding something. Well, gift is talking to people but having an item, right? So it goes with talking to people. Petting animals, what else? What else? Selecting. talking to people, petting animals, picking stuff up. If you interact with something, oh, so harvesting. Harvesting. You interact with a grown corp and you harvest it. Okay. I think those are good enough examples. Use to is going to be use whatever tool you have equipped or at hand. I'm also going to have a add to backpack. Add item to backpack. I guess remove from backpack? What would I call it? Okay, so it's my way of the character interacting with the backpack, so he should be able to remove. I remove hold item. Because you never remove something from the backpack. You either put it in your backpack or hold the item. You don't actually like remove entirely. You can then throw it away, but it's an extra step. So the hold item, I'm gonna have a private item called holding item. Holding item? Item to hold? Item hold. Hold item. And also I'm gonna have a... Do I have tools? Private. Tool. I don't have tool. I'm gonna abstract tool. Tool. So a tool is a more specific item. A tool has an item name, an item description, sell price. Okay, yeah, it's an item. A tool is an item. So, what are my items actually? No 2D. It shouldn't be. Oh no, it is a Node 2D. Okay, so my tool is going to be an item, right? But the difference is my tool is going to have a public function called use. And of course, this is going to implement depending on item, because each item is going to have its use. I also set the process to false. Do items have anything, the tools have anything that items don't have between being usable? This sounds like something from Majora's Mask. It does, actually. It's called Distrust. I do not remember when this is played in the game. Voodoo2946 says, disrespectful SpongeBob type beat. Thank you, Voodoo2946, for your input. YouTube comment section is fantastic. What a bop. Ikana Canyon kind of thing. Yeah. It's a very... Is it kind of a canyon, the one where the guy, mummy guy, and there's the kid, and he's in the closet? Is that it? Straight to rave party. Yeah. It's funny because in Shin Megami Tensei 2 you actually go to a rave. There are several rave parties you can go into. And each step you take, it triggers an animation of someone dancing, and it says they're dancing furiously. I think that's kind of funny. Yeah, give the land. Yeah. Actually, I can just do base.red. Right, 2D. Okay, so if I click here, this is all. So I'm gonna do protected, and this I'm gonna do protected as well, and this I'm gonna do protected as well. And so will this one be protected. And there is a difference between protected and private. I will not go into it because I don't feel like it. But if I rebuild it, a bunch of stuff appears over here. Very cool. Okay, so I now have tools, so I can do a equipped to. Is equipped 2 P's or just 1 P? Google equipped 2 P's. Cool. And we're gonna do the whole thingamajig over here as well for those guys. So holding item is going to be an item. Oh no. Oh no, it's not going to be an item. Because it doesn't exist. Okay, I'll leave it at that for now. Now the equip tool also doesn't exist. Hold on, let me think about it for a second. Because I can't have nothing in there. But if I do instantiate something, but I think I'll leave the instantiation to the functions. Yeah. Okay. So use to if equip to null return. I'm gonna have a private give gift. Should I? No. Yeah. No. No, not for now. No. Hold item at backpack. Okay, so. Okay. Okay. With what I have. Okay, I'm gonna work on a hoe. I'm gonna work on a hoe. So if I instantiate. What did I do? The power berry? Sling. Sprite. Mm-hmm. No, I don't want this. Okay, so let's try doing this. So this is going to be the hoe. Can I? I can. It's going to be specific for the hoe. Okay, cool. I was unsure if I could do that or not, but I can. Fantastic. As for the programming of the hoe, I'm actually going to do a new script. And it's going to be an tool. Right. So I'm gonna do base. Base ready. I'm gonna hit up some water to make myself some tea. I'll be right back. I'm back. Water is heating. Cool. Hoe, which should be within a capital H. It's going to be hoe. The So we're gonna do actually. Oh fuck. Delete, remove, close, open. The first thing actually is going over to tools. Oops. Going over to tool. Okay, tool is an item, but use is actually going to be a virtual function. And then when I'm here with home, I'll do public override. Yeah, void use base use. So I guess I can do field. Maybe I don't want to do field. Maybe I want to do area 2D, area to interact. That's a view. No suitable method found to override. Well, I guess that's fair. So I have an area. Right. Area to interact. What can I do with an area? Add child, sibling, group. Apply scale. Call. Process, collision, connect, dispose. Plot draw. Duplicate, find child, free, get. Get child, get children. Get global mouse position, get global transform. Nope. Can I get parent? Maybe? Get owner. Get owner. What is get owner? The node owner, a node can have any other node as owner, as long as it's valid parent can parent. Sending the tree and saving the node using packet scene. All the nodes its own will be saved and it allows for filtering complex scene trees. Instancing is soon be instancing. I wonder what that means. Let's go to player character. We'll find out real quick. Let's go to walk. And if I press walk left, OGD, print, get, owner, get owner. What is it? Choose string. I think that works. Can I do that? Not preferred from usage. State machine, Take this out. Label character ready. Deprint this. Let's see. This is perfect. This is exactly what I wanted. Holy shit, this is super cool. Nice. Oh, but it can't be inferred. Oh, this is bad. I wonder how. This state machine. Does it get the first parent? State machine. No, it doesn't. Cool. Oh, this is super cool. Well, too bad I don't see how to use this. Oh, I kind of do actually. Oh, I don't think I have to worry about this because I have absolutely fucking nothing, and I'm super worried about having everything be extremely generic and working. And I guess I could do that, but I don't. There's no problem in going one step at a time and then fucking refactoring, doing cleaning up code and fucking adding to it later. Area to interact, so .get, we do get owner, and owner is going to be field square. So field square, field interact field. Great. And we'll do interact field till. Cool. I gotta get my tea. I'll be right back. Tea acquired. Where was I? Okay, so playable character. Whenever I use E2, if the equip tool is no, then I return and I don't do anything else. Use. Oh, I see the problem. Fuck, I see the problem. Although it is not a problem, it's just more steps. So when a tool is used, I gotta do like a single. Tool is used. Okay. Okay, I know what I'm gonna do. A tool. The virtual function will take a raycast 2D interact raycast. Why? Why is it taking an interact? So this is going to be an override. Interact. No, raycast 2D. Interact. Raycast. Sorry. Why? Interact raycast, because I can take that interact raycast and do interact raycast get collider, collision normal, collision point. I think I do want to get the collisions, right? Okay, collider, collision normal, collision point. The normal is everything that's colliding with the body of the raycast, which is not what I want. I do want the point. Shape. Collider shape. Well, okay. No, this is not going to... Okay, the collider... No, I don't want the collider. It's collision point. Okay. Get collision point, and then I can get... Nope. Is normalizes finite. Snap this. Oh fuck. Bounce, seal, clamp, cross. Angle absolute. Distance to distance equals... Oh no. Get collision normal. Get... Oh no. Do I not know how to use raycasts? Fuck. To the documentation we go. Godot for raycast 2D. Description. A raycast represents a ray from the origin to its target position that defines the closest collision object to D along the path. Yes, that is exactly what... Okay, the closest. So it only finds one? At exception, clear force free cast update, get collider. Is colliding. Object. It is? I do want to call get collider. Get collider, which is an object, which is only one, but that is a big problem. Oh, fuck. Well, there goes. Oh, fuck, dude. Shit. Yeah, that's not gonna work out. Fuck it. I'm moving ideas. We're gonna do an area 2D. And this area 2D is going to have a collision shape. Now this collision shape is going to be square. And this square going to be, we'll do 40 by 40. Oops, 40 by 40. Right. And it's actually going to be $40 pixels now. Which is not exact, but I think I don't have to change much. This recast becomes an area 2D. Area 2D. But overall, I don't think it changes anything in my code. Okay, it does, because it's all broken. Fuck. Interact area. Start by changing the name. I'm sure you can figure out a map to do this for me. But I'm not going to, not right now. Interact area. Cool. Still got a lot of errors. Why? Unable to cast. Object type. I don't get. What's the issue? Interact area. Interact area. Okay, I see the issue. Can't move left. Because this is a collision. What are the nodes that I have? Maybe I'm using something wrong. CPU particle, canvas module, collision, shape, mesh, parallel layer, polygon 2D. Raycast. No, I think I'm fine. I think I just have to change. Oh, yeah, of course. Okay, it's the... Oh, I'm gonna sneeze, hang on. I didn't. Which... Holy shit! Speaking of sneezing, I was checking my own YouTube channel, and I have 5 subscribers, right? And apparently you can see who is subscribed to you. Let's see if you can figure it out. And there's this guy who subscribed, which I don't get. Oh, I lost 1 subscriber. Cool. What is it? Is it him? Did he know? Fuck. I forget where I see my subscribers. No, he's still here. There's this guy who subscribed to me, and it's open. I can see what other channels he subscribed to, and he only subscribes to people sneezing channel, like channels where all the videos are like girls sneezing, and it's super fucking weird. That and Monkey Island stuff. I think he's like subscribed to 200 channels, and I've seen a couple of Guybrush Threepwoods like on the thumbnails for the other channels. So I guess he's like into sneezing and Monkey Island, right? Completely normal person. What are fetishes? Yeah, I mean, yeah, I don't get it. I don't. I don't know. I kind of have a feeling it's a bot. It's not an actual person. Why? What's it looking for? Why it's subscribing to channel? I don't understand. It fucking scares me because I don't understand it. It's weird. But yeah, it's I guess fascinating is a word to describe it. You did play Monkey Island? Yeah, that's my point. I think it subscribed to me, or it. I don't fucking know. It subscribed to me because I played Monkey Island. See, that's why I think it's a bot. Go fucking. I finished my 8 hours of work today. I'm gonna fucking finally log in YouTube and watch Monkey Island and people sneezing, right? Who is that person? Who is that person? I don't get it. That's why I think it's a bot, right? It's probably, I don't... What is it looking for, though? What is it looking for? I don't get it. But yeah, if you're around this sneeze person who likes Monkey Island, why? Or actually don't explain why. I don't have to know everything. Maybe keep it to yourself, man. Be happy, whatever. There's also a privacy section on YouTube settings. You can just fucking turn that off. Man, do us a favor, please. What a quirky fella. Back to programming. Fuck raycasts. What is that I wanted? There is a mask. I don't know how. Mask, light mask, visibility layer. Top level show behind parent visible. I don't recall how this works. I think like this. Okay, I'm gonna fucking back to the documentation. So Godot area 2D, because the masks are like, I don't know what light mask or visibility layer is. I think one of them is like I can see people and people can see me. Okay, so I think like it. Well, I think I'm just gonna go read from the document instead of trying to guess. What is it? Light mask. Let's see if I can find it. Oh, okay, I can just mouse over it. The rendering layer in which Canva items respond to light should denotes. Oh no, this isn't it. Oh, this is under visibility. Actually, maybe this is not it. Oh, actually... Oh, it's the area I want. Monitoring, monitorable. So I don't want monitorable. So I should be able to walk left, right. No, I can't. Monitoring. If true, the area detects bodies or areas entering and exiting it. And monitorable if true, other monitoring areas can detect this area. Wait. Did I change anything on code? Can I, if I, fuck. Okay, I'm gonna delete this. I'm gonna run. Can't go left. Never mind. What was I doing again? Priority, damp, angular, collision. Mask, input, transform. Okay, so collision mask. I should be looking for that. Collision mask. Get overlapping areas. Return the list of intersecting area to this. Must be part of the area's collision mask. Collision object 2D, collision mask. The physics layer is this collision object 2D scans. Collision objects can scan one or more of 32 different layers. Collision priority. Collision priority uses to solve colliding when occurring penetrations. The higher priority is, the lower the penetration to the object will be. This can be example used to prevent the player from breaking through the boundaries of a level. I don't know if I get it. Collision layer, the physics layer, the collision object 2D, collision object can exist in one or more collision mask. Object A can detect a contact with object B only if object B is in any of the layers that object A scans for. So this is what I scan for, this is what I am. So if I'm not any of them, or is it the contrary? Yeah, okay, cool. I'm gonna explain what was happening just because I think it's fun. Okay, so this area I'm creating, this blue thing, right? It is the area which my character is going to interact with. You know when you hoe something in Harvest Moon and you don't interact with the area you're on, but with an area that you're next to? So if you're looking right, you're going to interact with the next tile. This area here is like I'm basically gonna get this area and say, what are you colliding with? And it's gonna tell me I'm colliding with this field square, and I'm gonna do the processing, right? But the thing is, this is a collision area as well, so stuff collide with it. I think I can give a perfect example. If I run and I try to move left, well, if I try to move up, to right, or down, it works fine. If I just hold left... Oh shit, why does it work? Oh no. Doesn't make sense. Hang on. Why does it work? Oh, because... Yeah, okay, it's monitorable. Hang on, I know it's working. I think. Fuck, I don't know it's working. What did I change? What the fuck? No. I thought I had it. Shit. Now I look dumb. Why wasn't it working before? Can I... Well, ta-da! It works now. I don't know why. Maybe it's getting late. I don't know. Oh boy. Priority 0. Fuck. Why? Really? Also, why is it not colliding? Disabled one way. Can I return everything to the full value? Open documentation, change type and name, expand. Huh. Hmm. Well, whatever. Whenever it becomes a problem again, I'll stop and actually think about it. I'll just accept as God giving me a hand. Thank you, Lord. I'll accept it. Cool, back to the thing. So I'm not using a raycast anymore. I'm using area 2D, right? And it's called interact area. And area 2D has a collision, get collision mask, collision. I have this solved in mouse tools. Get overlapping areas. Okay. Get overlapping areas. Right, and this is a array area 2D. Overlapping areas. What is the issue here? There we go. Okay, if I have more... Okay. Think. Okay. Can I... Okay, if I am selecting two areas, which is entirely possible. What is the order? Returns a list of intersecting area. To this, the overlapping areas collision layer must be a part of the mob. Okay. For performance reasons, collisions are all processed at the same time. This list is modified once during physics step, not immediately after objects are moved. Consider using signals instead. I don't need to choose. Yeah, I don't. There's no need to choose signals. That's okay. I guess I'm gonna have to Google stuff, or better yet, ChatGPT, my best friend. Godot get size of intersection between two areas 2D. Let's see if it can help me. Intersect shape. Intersect intersect, interact. Shape 2D, shape 1. That's for 2D. Get interact area, get shape. Get collision. Get collider. No, get. How do I get collision? I have an area. Reach area, 2D area in overlapping areas. Oh my god, what a pain. Can I really not get collision shape? Shape. Owner get shape. Owner get shape. Use shape owner get shape owners. Is it because... I wonder if it's because an area can have more than one shape. Get shape. Owner one-way collision margin. Get shape owners. Get shape. Owner ID. Shape ID. Oh no, this is not what I want. I mean, I can get no. Okay, so I can do this. Let me think for a second. We'll do a private double. Get intersection area. We'll do area 2D, area 1, area 2D, area 2. Okay. And I think now I can throw stuff around over here. So shape 2D, shape 1, area 1 dot get node shape 2D. Actually, oh fuck, how am I going to do this? Only if I get out children. Oh, fuck. I think this is it. I think I'm going to give up. It's been fun. But I don't feel like having to deal with this right now. I feel like I'm overcomplicating stuff. And I don't feel like going after I don't know, problems or documentation or stuff that I don't want to have to study on stream. That's what I'm saying. And I will have to study to figure how to do this. Only because I don't know which functions to call. I'm sure it feels wrong for me to reinvent the wheel. I'm pretty sure there's no way there's not a function inside Godot to do this. It has been fun, as always. I am going to continue this. Even though it doesn't sound like much, having the character walk around means the state machine is working. And that opens so much stuff to do. I'm setting the basis for a lot. And the amount of stuff that I can do is opening up super fast. I think once I'm able, I'm gonna do tools 100%. No questions asked. I'm gonna do tools, which are going to be seed, hoe, and watering, so I can have like actually grow the plants, right? I'm do that. Then I'm gonna do items because I want to be able to harvest, and the harvest function is already ready. I've tried it, and the return for the harvest function is already giving me an item. So if I can interact with the world and grow the plants and get the item, then I'm all set to do inventory and inventory management. Even if I only have one type of item, which I probably won't have one type of item. by then. I think I'm gonna probably do like 2 or 3, just have a couple. And if I can do inventory, I can do like holding items as well. Yeah, but one step at a time. There's a lot to do. I'm gonna do one step at a time. I'll probably do some stuff off stream as well, on my own free time, to get more progress going on, because it's fun to do this. I like doing games, or doing. I wouldn't call this a game yet. But yeah, well, that is it from me. Good night, guys. Have a good one. See you later.